I rebuilt my entire content system with one prompt in Claude Code. 8 videos, my lead magnets, my posts, descriptions, everything. And I wasn't even home when it happened. I was at Walmart buying a pooper scooper. This is the prompt. And this is Jake Van Cleef's ICM Folder System doing exactly what he said it should. If you can't ask it to do something and walk away, you're doing it wrong. So I walked away. I'll show you the terminal, but first, here's the whole story with the receipts still on my screen. The night before all this, I was cursing at my AI. Literally cursing at it. Builds were coming back wrong and I was done. Then it hit me. It wasn't the AI's problem. It was mine. My folders had drifted out of order. So we stopped everything and audited every workspace. Found the drift, fixed the folders that same night. Next morning, I ran to Walmart. I had just rescued 2 cats to go with my 2 dogs, Oreo and McFlurry. Litter box, litter, food bowls. The bare necessities. And I forgot the pooper scooper. When I got home, my phone was blowing up. Jake Van Cleef had pinned my ICM folder breakdown to his group. Really cool of him to do that. And a flood of requests started rolling in. Then I opened my sales training in Skool. SHIIIEET. 8 lessons still wearing a dead brand. The old way to fix that is a week of re-recording, re-editing, and re-uploading. All on my dated 8GB Lenovo laptop. I didn't have a week, and I had a pooper scooper to go get. So I ran the ultimate test. I typed one prompt describing the outcome I wanted. Rebrand all 8 videos, cut my old closes, new end card. And do not make me reshoot anything. Then I got in the truck and drove back to Walmart. While I was gone, my machine started rebuilding the videos. Halfway through, Amazon approved my request to use their computers. So 7 of the 8 finished in the cloud. About 30 seconds of video. I was spending at least 1 hour per video, and I couldn't work while they were rendering. About 6 cents a video, and worth every penny. When I walked back in, it was all done. And the whole run was sitting right there in one window. It even had my artifact on my screen waiting on me. Every step it took written down like a receipt. In a minute, I'm going to scroll through it with you. 8 videos in my new brand. Every old sales close cut out clean. My voice untouched. 0 reshoots. New lead magnets and drop post right the first time. My total input for the whole day. 1 prompt. 1 copy and paste from an Amazon email. And I typed 1 word. Approved. Here's why that worked. Okay, so here we are in my terminal. And so I just want to show you exactly how simple this was. So, good afternoon. Now that we have a clear guidance on our productions brand and a new AWS server, okay. 1, those are 5 videos in sales training of Skool that still carry commit to close. That's the old brand. You have the scripts and the voiceovers. They need to be rebranded to remove all CTC language and branding and re-rendered in BMC's brand. They need to be cut before I say sales in a state machine or whatever close I had. The closes are not CTAs because these videos stay in-house and never make it to YouTube. 98% of the videos rendered moving C to C and a stitch and the ending card of just build marker close with the BMC branding. This task should keep you busy a while. Use UltraThink here, fan out agents, identify all of the videos in product that has to do with the sales identified above, and come up with a game plan on how you're going to execute. So I had it in plan mode right here, okay? And I said, make sense. And it says, make sense. And then it went out to work. It sent out, it's still doing the stuff. And then it asked me which videos are the ones to redo. It asked me a couple questions, and I answered them. And it says it was approved. And then it put all the context, all this stuff, right? And then it showed what gets cut. Let's see. It's just going through. It's just working. I haven't seen anything yet again. But somewhere in here, we'll find it here in just a second or in a minute. Somewhere. Here it is. I copied and pasted it. Hey, the servers are updated. And then so then it switched all the tasks to go cut them all on the servers. And there it is. It was done. And I said approved on all. And it loaded the skill and made the package deal. All the package deals. And all I had to do was then, and there it is. And along the way, when it approved, I said, and by the way, note I have 2 ideas for videos or whatever. And then, so that was a side thing. So then it staged to production. I cannot write a line of code. This whole system is folders and plain English text files. If you're not in Jake's community, the link is below. I highly recommend you join it. The same breakdown he pinned is free in my community. Grab it, set up your folders, and run your own tests. Ask for something, walk away, and see what's waiting when you get back. If you don't have the thing you want, then continue on. The trick here is one thing, one time. Not a whole system in one day. Baby steps, then crawl, then walk, then you're running. Subscribe if you want the next lap. I try to drop a few videos a week. The framework and over 5 hours of free training, I cover building, marketing, and closing deals. Everything you need is in the description. See you on the inside. Go be dangerous. Always got your back. Rymac.